Okay, everybody. I want to make another vlogger film. I'm going to have the radio in the background for this one because I've been noticing when I, sort of do like a little review thing on my videos, just to observe how they come out once they're posted to YouTube. I notice there's a lot of background noise. It's weird. I don't know what to do about it. I'm just thinking maybe if I just have some background music or something, maybe that will drown it out or something. I don't know, but let's see. I can just put on something here, whatever. I don't want to have the music too loud. Just something for the background to drown out the excessive noise that's getting produced from the tablet. I don't know if it's going to work. It might not work. I don't know what's going on with the beeping noises that appear in these videos I'm making. But anyway, just please bear with it. I apologize. I wish I could get the beeping noises to get,
special guest joining us shortly, Warren Ellis.
To get
the dirty 3 cave in the back seat.
To get lost. I want these things to get lost. But I don't know how to. Maybe something I can use. Some kind of special method to use. If anybody knows, please let me know. In the meantime, I guess all I can do is just play the radio. Try to just drown it out. The background sound. Just try to drown it out. Well, anyway, this is just I don't know. I'm just talking. Let me try using this thing again because I don't want to make the next video. I'm gonna really cover what I really want to talk about. But this video, I guess I'll just leave it for the purpose of maybe getting people to fill me in on how to get rid of the beeping noises that are showing up in the background of my videos on my ProScan tablet. Alright, yeah, while I'm at it, before I end the video, I'm going to try to do a lot of these reps with this exercise thing I use. It's nice and handy and portable. I like this thing. I think I'm going to leave my shirt on for this one. Alright, let's see. As you can see, I don't grip it right on the handles. See? I make it challenging. That was 30. Couldn't do a 31 rep set. I did 30 reps. This is a power twister. You've probably seen them. Some of you have anyway. Like I was saying, I narrow the grip. Makes it more challenging. I can't really describe exactly what I would compare it with. It's one of those things. It's different, I think it works biceps and forearms really good, though, and I guess your wrist flexors, too. And I guess your neck and shoulders get worked a little bit. Alright, anyway, I'm not sure the pounds of resistance. That thing, I think it's a 40 maybe, to my best estimation. And probably with the narrower grip, I make it equivalent to maybe a 60 or 65, something like that. That would be my rough guess estimation anyway. All right, well, I'm going to cut it.
Real life, real change. The sound of life.